Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily hide your birthday. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Facebook and then go to right up corner to your profile and see your profile. Next to the add to the story, you're gonna see 3 dots, so let's click on it and then click edit profile. Scroll down below and you're gonna see here edit your about info. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see basic info right here and you wanna click edit. And then you're gonna see the birthday year and you can simply change to more options to only me. Look at this, only me, and voila, this is how you can simply hide your birthday. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.